Okay, last vid. This is the first one. It's down there. I really had to put effort into this one. And here's the other one. This one came down like there is no tomorrow. I just cut it. I I I started to hear sounds. I was here holding this and just didn't know what to do, what to expect. After I don't know, a minute, I went down and start walking down there to reach the rope to pull, and then when I was like there near the house, it just cracked and just bam, it went down like a ski jumper. So there it is. It's pretty small down there, so unfortunately I couldn't film it, but it fell very nicely. It didn't hit anything, so I am satisfied. It would be better if I pulled it, but it is what it is. See you.